Altraza Solutions company is going to launch new two websites by today. We are in the media field since 2004 through gulfmalayali.com. As you are aware, but gulfmalayali.com only for the Malayali communities who is living in the Gulf countries. But now we are going to launch new website which is targeted audience is not only the Malayalis or not only the Qatar people. There are two websites which is having different activities. First one is qwebtv.com. Like as you know that Q for the Qatar and web TV. That means qwebtv.com is we are going to dedicate for the Qatar. This will be for all the communities, not only Indians, all Gulf, all the communities who is living in Qatar, as well as we will going to publish all the government programs, sports activities, and I mean A to Z events which will be happen in Qatar. That is our goal and our plan. And another one website gshopee.com is targeted to all the audience in around the Gulf. We have good network in almost all Gulf countries, so we hope we can give a good result through this website. This gshopee.com is as you are aware, Shopee, something related to the shopping. Actually this website planned before about 7 years back actually. This theme came from Saudi Arabia when I was living in Saudi Arabia, but we couldn't get the time, or this is the time for the launching. So gshopee.com will be provided all the promotions in the Gulf. So when you want to go to your home country, where you can purchase the items with the cheapest rate or best rate, or what are the promotion is going on, where you can have the chance to win lucky prizes. This is what we want to inform you. And in our website there are many facilities. Okay, actually these two websites are just a platform. We are going to launch just a platform. We cannot update more things before. As you are aware, today's news will be history by tomorrow. Like this, we can in the past promotions or past events will become a expert things by today, or like this. So after this launching, we have to work hardly, and we will try to give you the good results. Okay. Also we have invited all the organizations and business leaders to attend this function, because they have to support us to achieve our goals. And as already I told that this meeting is not only for the Malayalis or any country. So we have invited many different communities and many people, and some of people are attended. And I would like to congratulate everybody who accept our invitation and being here. And this is our first public event in Qatar. So we are really happy that you are came here and make this event as a successful event. And already I would like to introduce all our chief guests for you. And Mr. Azim Abbas is going to inaugurate the gshopee.com. He is the president of Indian Business and Professional Network, affiliated and under the Embassy of India. That means he is the leader of the business people in Qatar from the India. So he is my leader also. Okay, so I would like to invite him and warm welcoming for this function, Mr. Azim Abbas. Mr. Ahmed Tuneri, Managing Director of Sulphur Qatar. He is the man who is the born of this project. He was helping us to make this project as a live. Without him, really, this project may be, again, as I told you this, I was planning this project before 7 years back. But now only it come true because of his support, as well as Mr. Abdul Ghaffur, Argon Global, and other sponsors too. So I would like to warm welcome Mr. Ahmed Tuneri to this function. And our QWebTV.com is going to launch by Mr. Rajesh, the subsidiary, the new venture of Sulphur Qatar called Aquafresh. This will be inaugurated by next week. So its general manager, Mr. Rajesh, is going to launch this function, this QWebTV.com. And I warm welcome to Mr. Rajesh and Mr. Abdul Ghaffur, general manager, Adal Qatar. Okay, he is the best supporter in our project, and he really support us. Before we have no more relationship even, but when I approach him, he is very happy and he support us. And thank you for the same, and we warm welcome to Mr. Abdul Ghaffur. And of course, as I told you, this is these events we are dedicating for the people who's living in Qatar. And I got very good support from the ICC Qatar, who is the roof organization or the mother organization of all organization in Qatar, Qatar for Indians. So I got very good support from Mr. Gopinath from ICC, and I would like to welcome him, a warm welcome Mr. Gopinath. And Mr. Girish, Vice President of ICC Qatar, he represented to Mr. Tarun Basu, President of ICC Qatar. He also, we have warm welcome to Mr. Girish. And Mr. Dawood, General Manager of Qatar Shopping Complex. Whenever we go and meet for any support, any sponsorship or something like this, he's the best person, and actually I like him very much because when I want money, he will give. Okay, so I can expect that this money is ready. Okay, I can go and take it. I thank for the same, and he was very helping person for my running in business. And I warm welcome Mr. Dawood. And I would like to warm welcome all of you who spent this time. Okay, and be frankly, this is my first speech in English. So I didn't prepare any much, or I didn't prepare any notes. because that is not my nature. So if you find any mistakes, please forgive, and of course any wrong, please forgive. And as I told, we are Alreza Solutions, a small organization but with big ambitions, and we aim more goals in future. Inshallah, is Almighty of Allah, we are getting good scopes, or is blessing us continuously, and I wish we will be in success, and we can make our plans also success. Unfortunately, or I just remember one thing, that our gulfmalayali.com, when launching in 2004, that time all people asked, you cannot run it, it will be dead very soon. But alhamdulillah, after 8 years also, we do run it. So we are sure, and we will give you the guarantee, this website will be also alive for a long time, inshallah. And we expect all your support in future to continue this website. അതിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് ഒന്ന് രണ്ട് വാക്ക് മലയാളത്തിലും പറഞ്ഞ് നിർത്താം. മലയാളം എൻ്റെ മാതൃഭാഷ. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ ഹിന്ദി, കുച്ച് ഹിന്ദി മാലൂം. ഓക്കെ. സോ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സഹകരണം മേലിലും നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റുകൾക്കും മറ്റ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബിസിനസ്സിനും ഉണ്ടാവണം എന്ന് മാത്രം അഭ്യർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ സ്വാഗത പ്രസംഗം അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അടുത്തതായി നമ്മുടെ ചടങ്ങിലേക്ക് കടക്കാൻ നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ഉദ്ഘാടനമാണ്. So I would like to invite Mr. Azim Abbas as well as all our guests behind. Let us inaugurate our website. Okay, please. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to invite Mr. Azim Abbas to speak with.
Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to all. Mr. Zakaria Salahuddin, Managing Director, Alreza Solutions. Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, ICC. Mr. Gopinath Mehman. Mr. Harish Kanjani, President, NIA. All the other dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a privilege to be here this evening. And on behalf of the Indian Business and Professionals Network, which is IBPN, I would like to congratulate Mr. Zakaria for this launching of 2 websites today. It is the right time to launch a shopping website, GShoppy, because as we all know that Qatar is really going to expand in the next 10 years. The population of Indians are really going to grow. At present, we are 600,000 a year, and we expect by the next 5-6 years we'll reach 1 million. So definitely this is the right time to launch a website like this. And why I'm here is just because I have seen the dedication of Mr. Zakaria. We've been doing a lot of events with him, and we are very happy that he is totally dedicated. His caption says that he is going to come up with innovative ideas. I do wish him all the very best, and I express all our support to take him forward. And he just said that this is his first English speech, so I must really congratulate him for the way he spoke. He's also made a reference of Mr. Dawood. So Mr. Dawood doesn't know where he's sitting actually. He's sitting to one of the biggest sponsor grabbers. Next to him is Gopinath and Girish. So just take care of him. Anyway, once again wish you all the very best, Mr. Zakaria and his team. And we do look forward to work with him very closely. Thank you.
And we are going to launch our second website for only the events. So in future, if you didn't attend, if you will not attend any function or any events in Qatar, don't worry. You can see all the photos and video of the event. We will be taking care of it. And of course, without your support, maybe it will not possible. So you have to inform us all the functions and invite us. Then we will give you the coverage. Okay, so we are going to launch. I would like to invite Mr. Ajish to inaugurate this website for you. Now I would like to invite Mr. Ajish to speak some words.
Respected chief guest, other distinguished guests in the dais, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. In fact, it's really a privilege for me and a honor for me to be a part of this great event organized by Mr. Salahuddin and Al Razak companies for launching 2 new websites today. In fact, as the chief guest said, it is the right time to come out with an innovative idea like this, considering the growth potentiality of the Qatar market. So I'm taking this opportunity to wish all the very best to the entire team of this website on behalf of Sulphur Group of companies and the newly launching EcoFresh Hygiene, for all the very best for the future endeavors and for these endeavors. Okay, and once again wishing them all the very best. I would like to express a great ideas behind this. Okay, thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Gopinath, Cultural Wing Director, ICC Qatar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar. It's a great pleasure for me to be here, and Mr. Zakaria is one of my friends, and he has been visiting me for last around 5 or 6 times. A man with a mission, a man with the dreams. You know, tomorrow's generations and today's generations and yesterday's generations. We all seen yesterday's generations, and we can get many of things from at home in the tip of your, fingers. And I wish him all good luck, and he's come with a very, open-minded talk. A man, simple man, having a lot of dreams. And I wish all best in his residing time in Qatar, and also wish all his crews and everybody, and also my guest Azim Abbas and Anish, my colleague Girish and Kanjani Saab. And it's a great pleasure to be here once again, and thank you, and wish every good luck to the great man, today's man, Mr. Zakaria. That's all. Bye-bye.
I would like to invite Mr. Girish, Vice President, ICC.
Good evening, Chief Guest Mr. Azim Abbas, and other distinguished guests on the dais, off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, once again, good evening. Of course, it's what to say, it's not a cultural event, but at the beginning of this event, I could see performance and talents of singers who delivered quite nice songs, especially the singer, the female singer, and I'm first of all, I do appreciate the talented girls, especially in this occasion. So I was quite keen to listen the songs of female singers as well as two male singers, and thanks for that. And also, it's my privilege to attend this occasion because on behalf of the Indian Cultural Center Embassy of India, supposed to be my colleague, the president, Mr. Tharan Basu, he's supposed to be here. Due to his tight schedule and other commitments, he won't be able to join today. That's the reason I am representing him behalf. Zakaria, I like Zakaria's, the way he presented his speech and deliverables as his first time is delivering his capabilities and his potential as his empowerment, that I'm sure that Zakaria will come up with innovative solutions towards the community. And he mentioned that he presented this website for not only for the Kerala community or Indian community, but also for all the communities who living in Qatar. That's a good sign. Of course, by focusing into the 2030 vision, we have a long journey, we have a long challenges, especially for the Indian expatriates who living in Qatar, especially on the business sector. So I'm pretty sure that Zakaria will accomplish his all expectation by focusing his dedication and enthusiasm into the media field. Wishing him and the team all the very best, and once again a very good evening. Thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Dawood, General Manager, Qatar Shopping Complex.
Distinguished chief guests, other distinguished guests on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you. I am very delighted to be a participant of this event this evening here. As Mr. Zakaria mentioned in his speech, for each and everything he was visiting me. Whenever he's going to conduct a new event, he never forget to visit me, and I was very glad to support his efforts. Now, as you have seen here, today, 2 websites have been launched. Nowadays it's a trend for the people to sell and buy everything in their room. They don't have time, or maybe they don't want to go outside in a crowded area to find out what the item they want to select and what the item they want to buy. So when they are putting their fingers on the keyboard, they can find out where is the promotion is going on and where is the lowest price is available. So it's easy for him, Mr. Zakaria, but it puts some strains, really strains persons like me, those who are running a retail business. As you know, nowadays it is quite a competition market. Of course, it is useful for the customers and for the consumers to buy or purchase any items where is lowest price is available. So I wish him very success in this event and this venture. And as he mentioned in his speech, of course he will visit again me for, as he said, financial support and everything. Inshallah, we will support him, and we will all support him for his success. And I wish him a very success and all luck on behalf of NKM Group of companies and myself. And thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. So our official function is going to finish. So this is my conclusion speech. Actually, if we need to give you the presentation for our website, it will take too much time because there are a lot of facilities available. Okay, very simply, if we tell for any events, we can upload any number of photos and any length of videos of the in QWeb TV, and there are a lot of categorization like sports events, education, entertainment, fashion, like this. So you can easily find out any event photos or video based on your interest and taste. Regarding the G-Shopee, there are facility to find out the favorite brands or city or shop like this, and this will be very useful. As a simple example, if you are going to your homeland, you want to purchase one LCD TV, 32-inch you want, then you want to know where you will get any additional benefit. You know, maybe its price is 900 Riyal. There are Qatar Shopping Complex, Lulu, or Maskar, and lot of shopping complex and hypermarkets available in Qatar, where you can purchase one LCD TV with a gift of something. My cameraman Shiab also got last time when he got the quality hypermarket promotion. He got a 900 LCD with the 600 Real offer like home theater. So this type of offers we will give to your fingertip. You just watch it, and this is just starting. As I told you, it's a big dream with many ideas. It's just starting. We have many technologies can be implemented like SMS alert, email, and mobile application. Everything will be coming soon. It also depends on sponsor support. In future, by as Mr. Giri said, 2030, like that vision, maybe this will be a great venture to get helpful. And as you know, in Doha, very traffic jam. So you can easily understand where you want to get the stuff, and you can simply go and purchase it. This is our target. And let us conclude. And first of all, I would like to thank you each and everybody, every single individual. I would like to thank you. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to being here to attend this function and make this function a great success. And I would like to give special thanks to Mr. Azim Abbas, President of IBPN. Is a very busy person. As I know, he is every weekend he must be somewhere else for any events. We had covered many events for him and his community. So he dropped everything and came for our meeting. Especially we would like to express our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Azim Abbas. Also, Mr. Arish Kangani, President of NAA, he told me today morning, Zakaria, maybe I cannot come. But I said, sir, you must come. Because of our relationship, he came, and I would like to express my heartfelt thanks. He is Mr. Arish. And I would like to express thanks to Mr. Abdul Ghafoor Adil Qatar, General Manager, and Mr. Gobinath, Mr. Girish, Mr. Rahmat Uneri, Mr. Rajesh, and Mr. Davod, every guest. I express my heartfelt thanks. Once again, if something you find any mistakes in this event, you just forgive for this younger brother, and let us make a maybe good event in future and pray for it. And thank you for everybody, and Assalamu alaikum.